Official appointment of key cabinet leaders, including Lion Raju Chandrasekhar as first Vice District Governor and Lion A. Vijaya Kumar as second Vice District Governor. Launch of 1.2 crore worth of service initiatives focused on healthcare, education, environmental conservation, and social welfare, benefiting communities across the district. Bengaluru, August 20, 2025. Lions International District 317F hosted its Abhinav Cabinet official appointment on Sunday at Bunt Sangha, Bengaluru, uniting members, dignitaries, and partners to launch community service initiatives valued at 1.2 crore. Under the leadership of District Governor Lion Akash A. Suvarna, the event marked the official appointment of Lion Raju Chandrasekhar as first Vice District Governor and Lion A. Vijaya Kumar as second Vice District Governor, alongside the presentation of the entire District Cabinet 2025-26 and the Leo District team. The event highlighted a series of impactful service initiatives targeting healthcare, education, social welfare, and livelihood support. These include the distribution of 20 laptops valued at 8 lakhs, scholarships worth 18 lakhs, installation of cloth bag vending machines, and the provision of artificial limbs through Narayana Seva Sansthan to empower differently abled individuals. The initiative includes the donation of 2 TVS Jupiter scooters and 4 electric autos as part of a self-employment program. In his address, District Governor Lion Akash A. Suvarna emphasized the guiding principle of the year, serve and be happy. He stated, "Our initiatives reflect a commitment to building a stronger, more compassionate community. From providing scholarships to students to delivering critical healthcare, every project announced today is a pledge to educate, heal, nourish, and protect. We are dedicated to transforming lives through service, ensuring that every action creates a ripple effect of positive change." Healthcare initiatives include donations of chemotherapy syrup for pediatric cancer patients at Kidwai Hospital, and medical equipment for dental screening through Unmao with KLE Society's Institute of Dental Sciences. Additionally, MAUs with leading medical institutions will facilitate cataract surgeries. Other healthcare efforts include baby feeding and senior ladies' resting rooms at multiple metro stations worth 5 lakhs, medical insurance for all Lions members, and the establishment of 7 Lions Sai Swasthya Wellness Centers worth 35 lakhs in partnership with Sri Madhusudan Sai Institute of Medical Sciences and Research. The year's agenda also addresses hunger, awareness, and environmental challenges through a large-scale tree plantation drive and the 365 Days Relieving Hunger program at KC General Hospital valued at 10 lakhs. A significant contribution of 50 lakh rupees was presented to the Lions Club's International Foundation LCIF, underscoring District 317F's commitment to global service. Chief Guest and Installation Officer Lion J.P. Singh, International Director 2018-2021, remarked, "It is an honor to witness the dedication of District 317F as they embark on this transformative journey. The comprehensive service initiatives reflect a deep commitment to community upliftment, and I am confident that this team will set a benchmark for service excellence across the region." Guest of Honor Lion K. Vinsidhar Babu, past International Director, added, "The vision showcased today is a testament to the power of collective action. By focusing on education, healthcare, and environmental sustainability, District 317F is paving the way for a brighter future, and I look forward to seeing the profound impact of these efforts." The event concluded with a renewed commitment to service, as Lions International, District 317F, sets out to make a tangible difference in the lives of communities across Bengaluru and beyond. About Lions Club District 317F, our association is made up of 1.4 million members in 49,000 clubs who bring hands and hearts to the communities we serve in nearly every country on earth. Our Lions and Leos help hundreds of millions of people every year. We are committed to serving local communities through various initiatives focusing on vision care, hunger relief, environmental protection, childhood cancer support, and diabetes awareness, guided by their vision to be the global leader in community and humanitarian services. Our mission is to empower Lions clubs, volunteers, and partners to improve health and well-being, strengthen communities, and support those in need through humanitarian service and grants that impact lives globally, and encourage peace and international understanding. And we fulfill it every day, everywhere we serve. Reported by Jasmine Akraman, National TV, Bangalore.